Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trade with Books. We'll see what it looks like in Nifty and Bank Nifty and other sectors for the next week. What is the outlook and what is the most probable outcome for the market for next week. We'll try to analysis, we'll try to predict, and we'll try to plan what can be the plan for swing trading and option trading for the next week. So the market started falling on 27th September. After that, it was making a lower low, lower high. But in last some several weeks, we have seen that it is trying to make a higher high. So here, first time it tried, then it failed, and again it is trying to make a higher high. Then it falls, and now it is looking like it can break this 24,350 level. Once it breaches this 24,350 level, you can make position for swing trading for the higher trend. But you should wait until it breaks 24,350. A day should be close above that 24,350. So it looks like it is going to break. That is the higher chances that we can say for three reasons. So first is that dollar index. Whenever you start analyzing the Nifty, you should first see the dollar index. So dollar index chart was going in an uptrend for several weeks. You can see the dollar index chart in trading view. The symbol is DXY. So DXY, when you see, it was going in an uptrend, but from last weeks it started falling. So last week in my analysis, I shown that here one wick was there, which is showing indicating a selling pressure. Then it started falling. So my plan was, if it goes above this again, if it breaches this line 108, then I'll be bearish on Nifty, because then Nifty will again start falling. But it has made a new low. You can see that new low has formed. So dollar index, whenever it makes a new low, the chances are there that it can continue to make a lower low, lower high. That time, this all emerging markets like Indian markets will be in uptrend, because dollar index, if it is falling, means dollar is getting weak. So that foreign inflow, FII inflow, will come back. FII is taking all money from Indian market, you can see. So, but once that dollar index will start falling, that FII may come back, These all are probability only, but you can plan for a bullishness in Nifty because it has made a new low. So that is the first reason you can start thinking in Nifty that it will make a higher high, higher low very soon. So that could be your plan. Now, next thing we'll see in Nifty chart is the trend line break. So Nifty, you can draw a trend line, simple trend line, by joining the higher highs of this low. Highs of this lower trend will give you this trend line. So this trend line has been broken, now it can go up. So this is a pullback, and you can think like, if it breaches this 24,350 again, you can start making position in the swing trading for higher highs. So that is the second reason. Then third reason I will tell you, whenever the trend touches its highs, it is already getting weak. What it means is, it was making a lower low, lower high. Okay, then here this make a new high. Then here it tried to make a new high, but it reached to the last high but failed. Then itself it shows that trend is getting weaker. This bearish trend is getting weaker, because in a weak trend only the trend could reach to the last high. Otherwise it will never reach to the last high. The high will be below the previous high. This is the high, so it should be here. Suppose this high reached to the last high, means the trend is already getting weak. So now next time again which has come to here, means it will consolidate and most probably it will break. This is the trend. So here you can see the trend actually started here and reached here, again made a new low, then again reached here. Now it is very high probability that it will breach 24,350. That is just a probability. We should plan for this. This is not a confirmation, but if it happens that 24,350 is taken out, we should plan for a uptrend. So how we can plan in option trading? You can make a call option, you can buy, and your stop loss should be here. Okay, otherwise hedged position you can make. One call you can buy, and above that call you can sell. This is also a position. For intraday, what you can do, you can mark this level, and this 200-day moving average also you can apply. That is also showing a uptrend. SMA, simple moving average, you add here, and that setting you change to 200. Input you make 200. 200 days simple moving average is very important for any uptrend. This is a support line. So you can see 200 days simple moving average is around 23,650. So this is a support. So market has gone below that and again convincingly came up with this strong bullish candle. So this is also showing up bullishness. So this is a support and this is your resistance. So you can mark on the support one line. This is how you should plan your trade. Now you go to 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart. Now if market breaks this region, this top region, you can make a bullish entry in call position. Suppose it comes here and after a consolidation it breaks like this. So you can make a position here, your stop loss will be here, you can buy a call option here. Suppose it again went down and break this level then you can make a put position. You can hedge also. These are for intraday. Suppose you want to take it for next day, you can hedge it. The call option you can buy and top side call option you can sell. Same way you can put, you can buy, and below put you can sell for a hedging position. So this is the option. Until unless market is within this range, you can sell both side call and put and you can sit quietly. Once it breached one level, you can remove that one. That call option you can remove. Suppose it breaches this level, this call option whatever you have sold you can come out with the loss. This put option you can keep. Or one other thing you can do is this both you hold, but this profitable position, suppose this breaches top side means this put you will come in profit. So this put you roll over to this level, top level, by taking the profit. This is the next second your option. So this is the option. Then swing trading, what you can do, swing trading you have to find out which are the sectors or stocks these are strong. Now itself you make a list of this, and when market will break this 24,350, that time you can take entry in those sector and those stocks. So for that what I used to do is I will add a relative strength of a stock indicator by Bharat Trader, and here in setting I will change the number of dates from where market is falling. Now market is falling from last 42 bars. 42 bars means 42 daily candle. So in this setting I will change input to 42. So in last 42 daily candles, which are the sectors which are stronger than Nifty? I have to find out. So I will go to my watch list, and metal sector I will see this is weaker. Weaker means because zero line is, it has crossed zero from the top. So it is weaker than Nifty. Then why I will enter? I will search for some strong sector. Reality is weak, infra is weak, public sector weak, energy sector is weak, finance is strong. You see finance sector is strong, bank nifty is very strong. Then consumption sector is weak, FMCG is weak, media is getting stronger just now, IT is strong, and pharma is strong. So IT, pharma, finance and bank nifty, these are the four sectors which are currently strong. First preference will be finance, second is bank nifty, third is IT, and fourth is pharma. If I have to put money in any of the sector, then these are the four sectors. And when I should put, when Nifty will break 24,350 level and it will give closing above that, that time is the best time. Then you can go to the finance sector, all stocks, and do this exercise, put 42 in this indicator and see which are the stocks which are above zero line. That are the stocks which are the strong and best for today's investment. This is all probability. You should do your analysis and come to a conclusion. This is the great Sunday to do this analysis so that you will be ready for the next week. If you are a market participant, you have to work like that. Okay, this is a strategy and this is a plan how we should plan for the week and how we can take entry in option and swing trading for profits. Okay, all the best. Hope you are watching our videos and liking this. If you are liking, tell us also by click the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your friends who wants to learn swing trading and option trading with simple language. Okay, all the best. See you in the next video.